Does your backyard feel more like a forgotten corner than a relaxing escape? Weary face. Maybe your patio looks dull, lifeless. Nothing like those cozy outdoor retreats you see online. You don't need a big yard or a huge budget to create a beautiful rustic haven right at home. Sheaf of rice. Welcome to Relax Garden, where we bring you the latest garden design ideas, rustic backyard makeovers, and cozy outdoor retreat inspiration for small spaces, all designed to help you relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. In today's video, we'll show you how to transform your small backyard into a charming rustic paradise using simple design ideas and affordable decor that make a big difference. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Garden for weekly tips on tiny garden transformations, patio makeovers, and outdoor styling trends for 2025. Cherry Blossom. Let's start with the foundation of your rustic backyard makeover: natural materials and textures. Replace plastic furniture with wooden benches or bamboo seating. Add a stone pathway that leads to your patio, creating a natural flow that draws the eye and gives your small space a structured look. For that authentic rustic vibe, mix wood terracotta and iron decor pieces. These materials age gracefully, blending beautifully with plants and the earthy tones of your garden. Don't forget greenery. Fill your corners with low-maintenance plants like ferns, lavender, and rosemary. They're perfect for small spaces, and give your backyard that calming outdoor retreat scent and feel. Herb. Now, let's talk about cozy ambience. What turns a backyard into a retreat? Start by layering soft garden lighting. Solar lanterns, warm string lights, or even rustic candle holders for an intimate evening glow. Add a fire pit or small chiminea to create warmth and a central gathering spot, perfect for chilly nights. Pair it with a few comfy throws and textured cushions to complete that cozy outdoor seating setup. Want to make your tiny space look larger? Use vertical gardening. Hang wooden shelves with potted plants or vines to draw the eye upward. This adds depth and greenery without cluttering the floor. Finally, decorate with a few farmhouse-style accessories: wooden crates, vintage watering cans, or rustic planters. Each piece adds personality and warmth to your garden design. Sheaf of rice. And that's how you turn a small backyard into a rustic outdoor retreat, full of texture, warmth, and peace. Herb. Remember, it's not about size, it's about style and soul. A few thoughtful choices can completely transform how your garden feels and functions. If today's rustic backyard makeover ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Relax Garden, and share it with your garden-loving friends. Blossom. Stay tuned for more garden design ideas, patio transformations, and 2025 outdoor styling trends to help you create your own little paradise, one cozy corner at a time. Until next time, step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and let your garden relax you. Leaf fluttering inwind.